Hi guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. We are in December already, 2020, and I cannot believe the time flies so fast. You wanna say okay bye 2020, but we wanna enjoy today. We wanna enjoy this month with God help and look forward the best. But I would love to share with you some of my favorite Christmas recipes so you can enjoy with your family. Also, you can request the recipes in the comment below. I would love to hear from ya and see what is your favorite recipes. So the first recipe I want to share with you, salata caprese, made with balsamic vinegar, tomato and basil and mozzarella cheese, of course, called burrata. Can't wait to share it with you. It's so simple and delicious. So here I have a burrata cheese. Simply place a burrata cheese in the center of the plate, and then we're gonna sprinkle with the sliced pre-washed tomatoes and basil, like so. And then all we're gonna do, just sprinkle with the glazed vinegar. This is my favorite. I always shop at the Trader Joe's, so I love to purchase over there this type of the glazed vinegar. Also you can purchase from Costco. So we're gonna sprinkle with the vinegar like so, and then we're gonna just simply enjoy this amazing refreshing appetizers. I love to eat this a lot. Also you can serve this with a platter or eat just like that. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment below what kind of video you want me to post next. And looking at back 2020, you wanna say okay bye 2020, but all I wanna say is just make the best of it. May God bless everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.